Hello kids, today we'll learn number name and color name. Sky blue color, brown color, blue color, black color, gray color, peace pink color, pink color, white color, light green color, yellow color, purple color, orange color, dark green color, red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pink color. 1. Purple color. 2. Red color. 3. Orange color. 4. Yellow color. 5. Peace pink color. 6. Light green color. 7. Brown color. 8. Blue color. 9. Sky blue color. 10. Pink color. 11. Purple color. 12. Red color. 13. Orange color. 14. Yellow color. 15. Peace pink color. 16. Light green color. 17. Brown color. 18. Blue color. 19. Sky blue color. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Peace pink color. A. A for apple. B. B for banana. Blue color. C. C for carrot. D. D for doctor. Orange color. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. Light green color. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. Red color. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Yellow color. K. K for kite. L. L for leaf. Sky blue color. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. Pink color. O. O for octopus. P. E for panda. Dark green color. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Is pink color. S. S for snake. T. T for tea. Blue color. U. U for unicorn. V. V for fan. Orange color. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Light green color. Y. Y for YOYO. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.